Hello you guys. I'm just giving an update from a video I posted last year. Really wasn't happy with the paint, and I didn't use pearl. I just had it matched, but this time I was able to match with the pearl. I haven't even rubbed it out. This is just with the clear. I added oil pressure gauge. Let's see here. Let me open the door. I don't know what you guys burn oil pressure, but I like to know what I'm running. Sun Pro. It's mechanical, not electrical, so I know I'm getting that's that. And then I changed the petcock. You can see it's coming off the back, the back end, not on the inside up here. And why I did that is the fuel line up inside is going to get hotter. So you guys know the hotter the fuel, but less of a good burn you'll get. So I have it coming out here, and I couldn't find a petcock. I'd like to come out the bottom, but at least this is better. It don't get hot enough to get fuel lock or anything like that. I want to show you how I routed up under here. What I did with my fuel line, I had to cut this side a little bit, but yeah, you can see it. I have my fuel filter inside and covered up, going down in there. I run a fan on and off, just in case. I put a fuse inline fuse in it. I got a 10 amp or 15 amp, 10. So, I don't know, you guys, I'm just showing this is one way to run your fuel line where it doesn't, you don't have a filter sticking out here or anything like that. Just looks a little cleaner to me. You can see I took the vacuum off, so I'm used to turning the fuel off before I shut it off. And you guys know the vacuum sometimes won't work. Doesn't work right. And then you get fuel leaking down in your cylinders. And you know what that's all about. So anyway, this is just a quick update. I finally matched the paint. It's super close to the original. And it's a pearl, it's a 3-coat. When I was sanding the Honda parts, I noticed they used white. Of course they used gray, but the gray was probably a sealer, on bare metal. But I used gray sealer and gray primer, so it might be a little bit darker, but I hope this camera picks up the colors. But yeah, I just wanted to update. Also, I went to, this is what I'm running now. I started running it last year. A lot of people say when they went to it, they developed leaks. And I haven't had any leaks on my gaskets or anything. I picked up 500 RPM, which, like I said, it's like stacking pennies. Every little bit starts adding up. I stole that phrase from Corey LaJoy, I think, who's in NASCAR. But just every little bit. And I'm not trying to make a race bike. I just want to get the performance the best I can out of what I have. And like I said before, all you guys know, you put a K&N in your VF700, that's what this is. Although it says V45, it's a 700. Okay. So I'm running 110 mains in all four. I cut back on the inside of the airbox to give it more airflow. Look down here, see it. Let's see. You can see where I cut this away. It goes all the way to here, covers up that screen. To the rear carburetor, and I've had no trouble at all. It runs great. I'll make a video of it running down the road, and you can listen to it, hear it, see it, I guess. This is an 88 I'm getting ready to put back together. I have the carburetors just about done. They are here. And I'm putting 112s in all those, all four. I'm going to do the same thing I did to the airbox I did to this one that I shown in the last video. So this one here, I soda blasted the engine and the side. I'm going to pull those off. I just drained the oil. I'm going to pull the side covers off and have them powder coated, except for, of course, this right here, plastic. Can't do that. But I'm just going to go with powder coating. Then I'm going to paint the entire engine black, except for the tops. But I'm going to have that powder coated. It don't look bad. It's the chrome, it's supposed to be the chrome color, but it's just silver. But it looks better than that. But the soda blasting works really good. I blasted these carburetors before I tore them apart. This is how clean it came. It's pretty clean. Way cleaner than they were. And I'm gonna put this set together tonight, and then get to work on dropping these parts off. I'm gonna pull the parts real quick. Drop those parts off at the sandblaster, and then take them over and have it powder coated. I wasn't satisfied with the paint, and then I'm not going to put the emblem on. I might, but I don't know. I may just leave the tank just like that. You know, it's got Honda down there, so. This is how I did the oil run. This is for my light. Then this is the tubing. Of course, I covered it. Run it up through here, down through here. Run it right up to right here. Right here. I don't know if you can see that. Right here. That's enough room, and it's plastic. I got some copper, but I've had good luck with that. And to me, it's real nice knowing where my vitals are, my oil pressure and my temps. Excuse me. So thanks for listening, watching, and hope I was able to help anybody out.